I just cut open these and squeeze them into here. And this is just a lotion bottle from the dollar store. You can get a pack. They have lotion bottles, they have like shampoo bottles, and they have like shampoo slash lotion bottles. They like, cause like you click and it opens, you know, and like, and this is like the lotion bottle where like, you know, you can go like that. Yeah, I just have a whole bunch and I put them in here. Then I put a sticker on it, wrote lotion, and then put clear tape, if you can see that, because it was kind of coming off. So, yep, it's just lotion. It smells delicious too, so I got it at the hospital, so that's why I did this. So, yep. It's really easy. They also have spray bottles, but I don't know if they still have it. Although, the problem with this is that I keep going like that and none is coming out, and I'm trying to figure out. Oop. Well, it came out, so there you go. It works. I think you have to do it like a couple times. And when I was trying to do it, like it wasn't on flat surface. I was doing it on my hand. So yeah, there you go. It just probably would take a couple squirts to actually get that stuff out in it, you know. And it's like almost, it's just almost full. And let me see. I used quite a few of these just to give you, you know, how many did I used? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you get 12 small ones, you cut it and then you put them in here in the lotion bottle, then that would pretty much fill it up. So there you go. And you can mix lotion and anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And keep watching my videos.